Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Christmas Gorilla ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already unlocked this Christmas Gorilla from opening the Santa's surprise present. If you want to get this Christmas Gorilla, you need to have Santa's surprise present, and you can buy the Santa's surprise present from the Christmas shop, or you can join the Christmas harvest event to get Santa's surprise present. Okay, and oops, where is it? Okay, this one guys, Santa's surprise present. Okay, and you will have 8% possibility to get the Christmas Gorilla. And this is a legendary pad if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to show you guys the ability of this pad. But wait, let me buy this Yuli lock. Okay, I have already placed the Christmas Gorilla to my garden. And I'm going to show you guys the ability of the Christmas Gorilla. Okay, basically it's like the gorilla chef. It can reduce a random pot's cooking time by 81 seconds, but it needs to grab fruits with cold type mutation. And yeah, I think it's not that OP, guys. I think it's not really worth to keep in our garden, but yeah, it's up to you. You can keep it if you want. Okay guys, and that's all about the Christmas Gorilla pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!